Welcome to this lesson on growth versus development in living organisms. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the difference between growth and development, why they matter, and how they are measured in biology. Growth means getting bigger or heavier. Development means becoming more complex and gaining new abilities. Both processes are essential to the life cycle of all living organisms. Growth can be measured using numbers like height or weight. Development cannot always be measured that way. It includes changes like learning to walk or developing organs. Growth can happen on the inside through cell division. It can also be seen on the outside when an organism gets taller or gains mass. Organisms grow when their cells divide and increase in number. This process needs energy and nutrients from food. Here is a chart showing how human height increases with age. Notice that growth is rapid in early years, then slows down in adulthood. Development involves cells changing into specialized roles. It also includes forming complex systems, like the nervous system. A frog starts life as an egg. It hatches into a tadpole, then grows legs, loses its tail, and becomes a fully developed frog. Let's look at a growth example. A child is measured at 100 centimeters at age 5. 1 year later, the child's height is 110 centimeters. This is an increase in height, growth. To find the growth, we subtract the previous height from the new one. 110 minus 100 equals 10 centimeters of growth. Now let's look at a development example. At 9 months, a baby starts crawling. 3 months later, the baby stands and takes first steps. This is development, gaining a new ability. By 18 months, the baby walks steadily without support. That shows further development of muscle control and balance. Now it's time to check your understanding. Answer the following questions to see how well you grasp the difference between growth and development. Question 1. Which of the following best describes growth in living organisms? Option A, a frog changing from a tadpole to an adult. Option B, a child learning how to speak. Option C, a plant increasing in height over time. Question 2. Which statement is true about development? Option A, it only happens during early childhood. Option B, it refers to changes in abilities and functions. Option C, it is measured using a ruler or weighing scale. Question 3. What is the key difference between growth and development? Option A, growth is a permanent change, development is not. Option B, growth involves size increase, development involves functional changes. Option C, development is reversible, growth is not. Question 4. Describe one example of growth and one example of development in humans. Question 5. Why is development not always measurable with numbers? Question 6. A baby starts crawling at 9 months and walks by 15 months. What biological process is this an example of? To summarize, Growth means getting bigger. Development means becoming more advanced. Organisms need both to survive and reach maturity. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.